I'm ready.
It's a dangerous love affair. Can't be scared when it goes down. Got a problem? Tell me now. Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight. Who's gonna run this town tonight? We gonna run this town.
We are, yeah, I said it, we are. This is Rock Nation. Pledge your allegiance. Get your boutiques on. All black, everything. Black hearts, black cars, all black, everything. And our girls are blackbirds, riding with they. I get more in depth if you boys really real enough. This is La Familia, I'll explain later. But for now, let me get back to this paper. I'm a couple bands down and I'm trying to get back. I gave Doug a grip, I lost a flip for 5 stacks. Yeah, I'm talking 5,6 zeros, dots, zeros, here, Doug. Back to run the circles round. Now he squared up, hold up.
Life's a game, but it's not fair. I break the rules, so I don't care. I keep doing my own thing, walking tall against the rain. Victories within the mile, almost there, don't give up now. Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
We are, you can call me Caesar, in a dark Caesar, please follow the leader, so Eric B. we are, microphone fiend, it's the return of the God, peace God, it ain't nobody fresher, I'm in Mason, Martin Margiela on the table screaming, the other side they jealous, we got a banquet full of bras, they got a table full of fellas, they ain't spinning no cake, they should throw their hand in, 'cause they ain't got no space, my whole team got those, so my bank account is looking like millionaires from.
Life's a game, but it's not fair. I break the rules, so I don't care. I keep doing my own thing, walking tall against the rain. Victories within the mile, almost there, don't give up now. Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
It's crazy how you can go from being Joe Blow to everybody on you know. I bought my whole family whips, no Volvos. Next time I'm in church, please no photos. No police escorts, everybody passports. This the life that everybody asks for. This a fast life, we are on a crash course. What you think I rap for? To push a rap for? But I know that if I stay stunting, all these girls only gon' want one thing. I could spend my whole life goodwill hunting. Only good gon' come is as good when I'm. She got it.